Good morning, children. Welcome to class 9, IIT Chemistry, class 6, IIT Chemistry. So today we will discuss about the topic air pollution. In previous class, we have discussed about the global warming, greenhouse gases, greenhouse effect. Okay. So in air pollution, first the definition is what is air pollution? The additional of harmful substances to the air or imbalance the essential natural composition of air due to natural phenomena or natural activities is called air pollution. So here the harmful substances that are mixing with the air and it will imbalance the composition of air. Either it may increase the carbon dioxide or water vapor or some other gases. It will be happening only with the naturally or natural phenomena. Then this is called air pollution. So here air is essential for life to set without it. We could survive only for few minutes. That means without air, we will survive only for few minutes. But we can without food we can survive for 1 or 2 days, or without water 1 day we can survive. But without air, we will live only for few minutes. Okay. So we already know the different layers in the atmosphere. That is troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere. Okay. So air pollution is the introduction of chemicals, particulate matter, or biological materials that cause harmful or discomfort to humans or other living organisms, or cause damage to the natural environment or build environment into the atmosphere is called air pollution. That means here introduction of chemicals, that may be the biological chemicals or organic chemicals or inorganic chemicals, a particulate matter. Particulate matter means the unused solid particles or biological materials that will cause, that means these substances that will cause harm or discomfort to humans or human beings or other living organisms that are surviving on the earth, and also causes damage to the natural environment. This is called air pollution. That means some pollutants that will cause harmful to the humans or to the other living organisms, or it will damage the natural environment. Then it is called air pollution. What is air pollution? So here air pollution consists of gases, liquids, or solids present in the atmosphere in high enough levels to harm humans or other organisms or materials. That means here air pollution means the pollution may be, the pollutants may be in liquids, solids, or gases. But see, if these liquids or solids or gases should be present in the atmosphere at certain level. Example, carbon dioxide, oxygen is there. It presents only 21 percentage, and carbon dioxide 1% approximately. Okay. So if it is increasing the carbon dioxide level, then automatically that is going to harm for the life on the earth. That means whatever the living organisms that represent humans or animals or other organisms, that may be the aquatic animals or the land animals. Okay. Air pollutants may be enter or emitted into the atmosphere or formed within the atmosphere. The first C, air pollutants can be mixing with the atmosphere by the two ways. The first one is the the smoke or the pollution that is occurring from the factories. See, if you see the factories, a long pipe is going to present. Okay, so that long pipe will emit the smoke. That long pipe is called chimney or exhaust pipe, we will say. And the second one is secondary air pollutants, that is ozone. Ozone, see, due to these pollutants, the ozone layer is becoming thin. So your air pollution is the mixture of solid particles and gases in the air. Example, car emissions, chemicals from the factories, dust pollutants, and mold spores may be the suspended particles. Okay. So your solid particles and gas particles mixing with the air. So examples are car emissions. Car emissions is the smoke that is emitted from cars or vehicles or automobiles. Chemicals from the factories. That means see, some chemicals are going to be released from the factories. You can see the figure down, the smoke example. Okay. Dust pollutants, molds, and suspend to be the suspend particles. Ozone gas is the major part of air pollution in cities. That means ozone. The next actual definition is the addition of harmful substances to air or imbalance in the natural composition of air due to natural phenomena of human activities is called air pollution. The simple definition I'll say the harmful substances present in the air, okay, by the natural composition due to natural phenomena harms the human activities is called air pollution. So the main pollutants are carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, and nitrogen dioxide. Carbon dioxide formula is you already know CO2. Carbon monoxide is CO. Sulfur dioxide SO2, and nitrogen dioxide NO2. So these four are the main pollutants that are causing the air pollution. Carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide gases will be coming from the automobiles, sulfur and nitrogen from the factories. And due to these air pollution, so will cause the acid rain. It is caused when a pollutant combines with a droplet of water in air. The effect of acid rain on the environment be serious. So here, acid rain means, see, I already said, the sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, carbon dioxide, all these are present in the air. When the rain is falling, automatically, so that gases and this rainwater will mix, okay, and falling as acid rain. Okay, see, when sulfur dioxide is mixing with water, then it forms sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4. 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 Okay, so that H2SO4 is acid that is falling on the earth. That water or that liquid is called acid rain. So this acid rains will destroy the monuments or statues, everything. So example, I'm taking the Taj Mahal. If you see 100 years back, the Taj Mahal was pure white in color. Okay, now it changes to pale yellow color because of this acid rain. Because around the Taj Mahal, so many factories are present. The factories emit the harmful gases such as carbon dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide. Okay, so these gases will mix with the uh, rain, and it is falling as acid rain. That acid rain is destroying the purity of the Taj Mahal. Okay, so what are the effects of acid rain? Acid rain causes acidification of lakes and streams. That means, see, if this acid rain falls in the water, that means automatically, slowly, the water will changes to acids, and it will contribute. It will also damage the trees and sensitive forest soils. That means even the soils will be barren because of these acid rains. Okay, it will it will be destroying buildings, statues, sculptures, etc. And also it also damages the nation's cultural heritage also. So due to this, there will be that means the hole is formed. We already know that hole is formed in the ozone layer. Due to these gases, the hole is increasing. In another result of air pollution, chemicals released by our activities also affect the stratosphere. Release of CFCs from heating, all these is causing the holes in the ozone layer. Okay. So due to these gases, the ozone layer is becoming thin and it is forming a hole. What happens if the ozone layer is not present in the atmosphere? So the ultraviolet rays that are coming from the sun will fall directly on the humans. Then automatically we'll get the skin diseases. The ozone layer's main function is to stop the ultraviolet rays from the sun. If ozone layer is having the hole, automatically that will fall on the earth. So what will the impact of acid rain? It will destroy the climatic system, health, economy, environment, ecosystem, forestry, agriculture. So climate system, that means the climate will change. Okay. Due to this acid rain, we are going to face health problems. Due to health problems, the economy will be lost, and environment changes will be present. Ecosystem changes. Okay, ecosystem means combination of animals and plants. Forestry means that we are going to face a deforestation. So due to this acid rains, the agriculture is going to be affecting because due to this acid, the soil becomes acidity and and the plants won't grow. These are the fact. These are the impacts due to the acid rain. Okay. So causes for air pollution is dust raised from the grounds during the storms. Next is stone dust raised by the crushing of stones in quarries, smoke emitted by vehicles, and smoke from the forest fires. These are the main causes for the air pollution. Dust raised from the ground during the dust storms. See here, this is okay. Dust raised from the crushing of stones in the quarries. See, granite quarries in Karnataka, we already know. So many granite quarries are there. So when they are cutting, so much dust is going to be coming. Example, I'm taking, if you are going from Karimnagar to Vemlawada, so there in Udyaram, there is a quarry. So many quarries are there, that is granite quarries. From that, so much dust is going to be evolving out. So due to that, they are facing the air pollution. And the next is smoke emitted by the vehicles like this. And the forest fires, the fire accidents in the forest. These are the main causes for the air pollution. Next is smoke raised by the burning of coals in the powerhouses, burning of wood, cow dung cakes, and garbage, germs from coughing and sneezing. Okay, so these are also the affecting the air, causing the air pollution. Smoke raised by the burning of coal. Example is NTPC. We can take the example NTPC. Okay, National Power Thermal Corporation, that is in Tamagundam. So you can see like this, the smoke is going to be evolving out. And burning of wood, sneezing or coughing. So next is outdoor air pollution. We are having two types of air pollution. One is indoor and one is outdoor. So first we'll see about the outdoor. Outdoors, that means combination of smoke and fog is called smog. The combination of smoke and fog is called smog. It is formed by the number of pollutants and has serious negative effects on the plants and animals. Due to the smog, so much effect will be present on the plants and animals. And indoor pollution, it is more dangerous than the outdoor pollution because we do everything in closed environments where our air circulation will be restricted. Okay, so that is what are the indoor air pollution, that is tobacco smoking, cooking and heating appliances, vapors from the building materials, all this mainly tobacco smoking and cooking in the closed ones, that will causes the air pollution indoor. Okay, so then biological pollutants. What are the biological pollutants that cause air pollution is, so water damaged surfaces and materials, stagnated water if they are present. Okay, air conditioning systems that are present in our homes. See, simply if you're on gases, automatically some nitrogen dioxide gas is going to be evolving out. That will cause us the air pollution. Okay, so how can we reduce air pollution? So first one is conserve energy. That is turn off appliances and lights when you leave the room. That means simply don't turn on the electrical appliances or lights, fans or TVs, etc. So automatically, if you're on means so much energy, thermal energy or hydel energy, we are using it. So if you're turning off, we can't use. And next is recycle paper, plastic, glass bottles, cardboards, and aluminum cans. If you are recycling them and if you're reusing them, then we can reduce the air pollution. And also we have to plant more number of trees. Then automatically the carbon dioxide level will be becoming less and oxygen level will increases. Okay. And the next is reduction of fossil fuels. That means we have to use the usage of oil fuels should be reduced. And if we are using solar energy more, then automatically that is pollution-free energy. Growing of trees and plants. So we can reduce the energy. And also next is growing trees and plants. use of CNG as automobile fuel. CNG means compressed natural gas. It is the purest gas and pollution-free gas. So nowadays, you see, in cities or in Karimar, we are seeing the green color autos. So in that autos, they will use only CNG gas, not petrol or diesel. Okay, you can see CNG will be present. Okay, and use of air filters for the chimneys. That means in the factories, some chimneys are present. There, if you are using air filters, automatically we can reduce the air pollution. Okay, I already said the main sources are carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide. So these carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide gases will evolve from thermal power plants and automobile industry. And carbon monoxide is also from automobile industry. So if you are taking this carbon monoxide gas, automatically we are going to face breathing problems. Ozone is from the industries and chlorofluorocarbons, chlorine, fluorine, and carbon. These we are going to say as chlorofluorocarbons. So these are mainly causes from refrigeration of refrigeration system that may be the fridges or ACs. Okay, so these gases, this is CFCs, will cause ozone depletion. That means ozone layer will be depleted. Okay, children. So next class we'll study some more about the air pollution. Thank you. Have a good day.